This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious canned fish salad. This versatile dish is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. We'll start by selecting your preferred canned fish, whether it's tuna, salmon, or even mackerel. Then, we'll gather a few simple, fresh ingredients to create a flavorful and satisfying meal in just a few minutes. Now, let's prepare our main components. First, carefully drain your canned fish to ensure your salad isn't watery. Use a fork to gently flake the fish into a bowl, breaking it into bite-sized pieces. Next, finely dice 1 crisp stalk of celery and about 1/4 of a small onion. These fresh vegetables add a wonderful crunch and aromatic flavor to our salad. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to bring everything together. Add the diced celery and onion to the flaked fish in your bowl. Then, incorporate 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise or a lighter alternative like Greek yogurt. Season generously with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice for extra zest. Your delicious canned fish salad is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic served on crisp crackers, toasted bread, or even as a light lettuce wrap. For a different twist, try adding chopped pickles, briny capers, or fresh dill. This salad is a versatile and healthy option. Store any remaining salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.